Hey everyone, this video is about load balancer in AWS guys. So let's get into the video. In AWS, we'll be having two load balancers and one is ALB and other is NLB guys. We'll be mostly using these two load balancer when we are working in a project. Okay. So let's see what is ALB. ALB is an application layer load balancer guys. We can also say this as an L7 load balancer, which is an layer 7 load balancer. Why we are saying this as an L7 load balancer is in the OSI model, we will be having the application layer as an L7. So this application load balancer is configured with this application layer and it will be going to handle only the HTTP request guys. So this application layer load balancer, the load balancer, which is an application load balancer, can be able to intercept this HTTP request. So it can able to read the headers, paths, and the bodies, so that because of this interception of the request, it takes less some time to send a response, guys. So the latency is low in this application load balancer. We cannot able to find it normally, but we can when we are using this media streaming platforms, we can find that this latency will be slow. So also in this application load balancer, we can able to route the traffic based on the path or host or domain, which is like if slash payment means it will redirect the request to the slash payment service. If there is a slash logout, it will redirect to the logout service, guys. Like this, we can able to route the traffic to the server. So the next is network load balancer, which is an NLB. This is an L4 layer load balancer. Why we are saying this means this is configured with the OSI transport layer. In the OSI transport layer, it is going to deal with TCP or UDP request. Okay, as uh, as ALB, it cannot be able to intercept with the HTTP. It cannot able to intercept the request, guys. So mostly we will be using this NLB for high latency. So we will not be seeing any buffer or delay time in this TCP. In this TCP or UDP request. So we will be using the NLB, and we will be using this NLB for media streaming platforms, which is like YouTube. We will be using this for game servers. We can use this NLB for high latency, guys. If you are working on the project which requires high latency, then you can go with this NLB. But if your project is based on the request based path based routing, or if you want to if you are using mostly the microservices where you will be routing the request based on the path or host, then you can go with this ALB. Another thing is in this NLB we will be having a sticky session, guys, so that whenever the request comes into the NLB, it will be sending to the server and it will be getting the response from the same server, guys. Using this sticky session, we can able to use the WebSocket connection also. So this is how this ALB and NLB gets different, and it is how it's working, guys. Thanks for watching this video.